guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you through all the tips and tricks and all the ways in which you can prepare and present the best looking answers, the toppers answer sheet. So as it is going to be a very long video, I will not waste any more minute in giving any more introduction. Let's just jump on our first trick. I have actually gone through a lot of toppers answer sheet to get the crux of it, and I have put all my knowledge and all my experience into making this script for the video. The first point is to keep it clean, okay? And this is the only thing, literally the only thing that I found common in almost every toppers answer sheet I have seen, that their paper were clean. You can see here are the few examples of cleanliness. Look at the papers, how clean they are, how clean and effortless they look. This is how clean your answer should be. I will not only give you the tip, but I will also tell you how you need to achieve that. So the first thing that you need to follow is handwriting. Yes, handwriting is the key. As you can see in all the above answer sheets, they have pretty good handwriting, but that's quite natural. You cannot actually change your handwriting one day before exam. And when I say good handwriting, it's okay. It means clean is not equals to beautiful. You can actually make it clean. How? Again, this is how. First thing that you will follow is the size of your letters. Try to write small letters. Try to make your writing smaller. The second thing is don't write like this. Some people literally do this. This is not a calligraphy competition going on. A very long tail of Y, G, J. This actually interrupts with the next line of your page, and instead of looking clean, the page looks more chaotic. Leave sufficient space between each and every word. It will really help. It makes the writing looks cleaner even if it's not beautiful. Try to write in italics. Italics makes the writing looks like it is going in one flow, and if you don't have the habit of writing in italics, just tilt your page. Some people have habit of doing this. They'll start from here and they'll do, they literally make a staircase. Some just don't have any starting point, any ending point. Don't do this, guys. This is the best way of writing. Write in alignment. Coming on to the second thing, cut. Yes, now if you want your paper to look clean, you have achieved good handwriting, and this is what people do. They will take this and this is the worst way of doing it. The best way is to make a simple horizontal line. Make this a habit of yours. Just a simple horizontal line, and dikhega bhi nahi that you have cut a word. Or you can use italics like this. Now in subjects like Hindi or Sanskrit, there are more vertical lines as compared to horizontal lines, like so, to cut the word. See, lag bhi nahi raha hai ki word kata hua hai. No, the teacher is not going to read that word. It's okay if you have written the wrong spelling, the wrong word. They don't have time to read the wrong words, okay? So simply cut it like this. Now I will give you an example. Look here in this topper's answer sheet. He has actually cut a whole damn equation in maths exam, and see, still the paper is looking so clean. This is the sentence. He has literally put small horizontal line at every part of the equation, and it's looking still clean. Another example is here. It's a puzzle, guys. You have to find yourself कि यहाँ पे cut है कहाँ पे. It's right here. She has again used a slanting version. Now what people do is कि कंजूसी करनी है. हमें पेज नहीं बचाना है. यहाँ पे हमें पेज बचाने के कुछ नहीं करना. इस पेज का कोई रीयूज नहीं होगा. अपनी जगह अच्छे से लो. आंसर्स को अच्छे से लिखो. स्पेस ले लेके लिखो. मार्जिन के आगे नहीं जाना है. ये नहीं कि दो मार्जिन है एंड यू आर ओवरफ्लोइंग. मार्जिन के ऊपर नेक्स्ट लाइन पे चले जाओ. एकदम पेज के नेक्स्ट पेज पे चले जाओ. Take space. For example, in this paper only, look, यहाँ पे the sheet is getting ended and she has left so much of space here, and voila, you have such clean answers written. Now the next point is divide and rule. Divide your answers, okay? Now instead of writing bulky answers, instead of writing your answers in whole damn paragraph, divide your answers into a few headings. Now for subjects like social science and science, you can go with the points approach, and the number of points should be directly proportional to weightage. For a question which has like say 3 marks, at least write 3 points. Now for literature subjects, you can use a divide and rule technique in a different way. If there is a long question answer, you cannot completely frame your answer in points. So instead of going through points, write into header. Means divide your whole answer into 2 to 3 headings and then write under those headings, which will make your answer look better. Now for essays, follow this double S rule, which means small and specific. That means that means you need to write in a small paragraph, and each paragraph needs to be specific about one particular thing. Let me give you one example. For example, you have to write a character sketch, okay, of a falna person. So first paragraph should be introduction, the character's name, his age, his relations, he is a male or a female, whatever. The second paragraph, very small, 2 to 3 lines of a paragraph, that's it. Next is physical attributes, so that the reader can imagine the person that you are talking about. Next, in the next paragraph, you will explain the behavior aspects. That means you will give the example from the text, that if he's a bad person or a good person, what is his behavior. In here also you can make 2 paragraphs describing the positive aspects of the person and the negative. Now coming on to the next point, that is sectioning. That means the question paper checker should know where is the answer getting started and where it is getting ended. So for this you can draw dividers between 2 answers or between 2 sections. You can use different kinds of divider, simple line, straight line, or cross, or whatever type, or you can simply use another color pencil or pen for it. Just ignore using red or pink because that's not allowed in board exams. Here is an example from one of my favorite toppers answer sheet that I found across the internet, that this person uses 2 lines for the dividing 2 answers and 3 simple lines for dividing sections. Next is to put section headings. As this person, you can see he has written section C, so that every section has a different kind of approach and a different weightage of marks also. So if you are writing that section C, section A, this will make the paper look cleaner and easier for the paper checker to check. And always this is very important, write the question number clearly. Sometimes what will happen, we don't follow the order of the question. So in such for example, आप सेकेंड वाले क्वेश्चन को पहले लिख रहे हैं, पहले वाले क्वेश्चन को लास्ट में लिख रहे हैं. So in all such situation, writing the question numbers become very, very important. Let's say you are very short on time, you don't have time to draw lines and everything. So what you can simply do is leave space between leave space between 2 of your answers. Leave 3 line gap and just move on. बाद में अगर आपके पास time बचता है, come and draw lines. Otherwise you can leave it like that only. Next point is for rough work. Now this is very important for calculations as in maths types of subject, and drafting as in literature subjects. Now if you don't know what drafting means you probably have missed last video of mine, so please go and check that, and also like this video if you have come till far, because literally I have put a lot of efforts and a lot of research to put this video forward to you guys. Rough work should not be done on your main answer sheet, a complete no. So your next question will be where you should be doing that rough work. You can use the margins. क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम के आंसर शीट में हमेशा 2 मार्जिन होते हैं, एक राइट साइड पे एक लेफ्ट साइड पे. पहले से बनी होगी, नहीं बनी है तो यू नीड टू मेक इट योरसेल्फ, बना लेना. यूज द मार्जिन ऑन द राइट साइड टू डू द रफ वर्क, और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज द लास्ट पेज ऑफ योर आंसर शीट simply. Here is an example from a topper's answer sheet. Simply he has done the rough work on the right side. I will suggest you to use a pencil over pen, so you can literally erase it afterwards and no one will even know that you have done calculations. With a very clean answer sheet you will have the correct answers. Really sorry for the interruption, but this video got really long and was not getting uploaded as the internet connection here at my hostel is quite slow, so I have to cut it in the middle and make 2 parts of that. So please follow this video by this video to get the complete wholesome experience. Thanks for watching.